Google's just put an AI straight into your browser. If you've got an Android phone, open Chrome and look up beside the address bar. There's a little sparkle sitting there now, and that's Gemini. It reads the page you're on, answers questions about it, and it's completely free. Nothing to download, nothing to set up. Let me show you where it is, what it actually does for you. Here's the bit you'll use every single day. You know, when you land on a massive article or a page of terms or a recipe that's buried under someone's life story, you tap the sparkle and Gemini reads the whole thing and hands you the short version. Gemini in Chrome summarizes any web page you're on in a couple of seconds. The gist, the key points, the bit you were actually after, you don't have to scroll through all of it yourself anymore. So here's how you open it. To use Gemini in Chrome, open any web page and tap the Gemini sparkle icon in the top right of the address bar. That's it, one tap, and it slides up over the page you're already on. If you don't see the sparkle yet, don't worry, you can open the three-dot menu in the top corner and pick Gemini from there. And on a lot of phones, you can just press and hold the power button and it comes straight up. Any of those three ways work. Once it's open, you'll see it's already looking at your page, ready to go. This is where it gets good. You can just ask it a question about whatever you're reading in plain English. Say you're looking at a laptop review, you type, "Is this any good for gaming?" and it answers you straight from that page. You can ask Gemini a plain English question about the page you're reading and it answers using what's on it. No copying, no pasting, no opening a second tab. It reads the page, so it already knows. Right. What's this going to cost you? Everything I've just shown you, the summaries, the questions, sending bits off to your calendar or Keep, all of that is free. The everyday Gemini features in Chrome are free to use. There is one paid part called Auto Browse, where it clicks around and fills things in for you. That one's part of Google AI Pro. But honestly, you don't need it for any of this. Just know it's there. To get the free version, you need an Android phone, Chrome kept up to date, and to be in the US for now. And that's the whole thing. Open Chrome, tap the sparkle, and let it read the page for you. Try it on the very next thing you open, a long article or a set of instructions, and see how much time it saves you. If this helped you out, a subscribe or like means a lot to me.